Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I would like to present a very useful and practical tab which we have in Ping, and it's called the New Things tab. We can call it your private command center, so a place where all the notifications about any kind of activity that you have in your app will be visible to you, whether it's a reminder about a repeated task, whether it's a new activity in the task that you're involved in. You will get all the notifications in the New Things tab. Also, it's a wonderful place to jot down your ideas quickly. So let's actually analyze each of these possibilities. First of all, as you can see here, what I have in New Things tab is the reminder repeat, so which I get on a regular basis about the orthodontist consultation which I have. So as you can see, it shows me that it repeats every Thursday, and it gives me a possibility, of dealing with it. And like I said, these reminders always appear in the New Things tab. So this is the first thing. Oh, by the way, if you don't remember how to make a repeated task, go and check out our other videos in which I explain how to do this step by step. So this is the first thing. The second thing, if you create a task for somebody, so let's say that we want to call Roberta. We create a task like this, and we decide who should do it from the list of our contacts. If you don't know how to create contacts or how to delegate tasks, you can check out our other videos. It will be there. So, for instance, I say that I wanna maybe this person to do this. So I click this, and I see that it's pending for approval from Bella, my colleague, and this notification will appear also on her account in the New Things tab. Let's go and find out how it looks in the New Things tab. Oh, as you can see here, I already get such a notification because I have also this account on my desktop. So I go there and I see a little red dot showing me that there is a new task from my colleague. I click here and I decide what to do with it. Every activity here, any kind of activity, will be shown in the New Things tab with this red little dot. So let's say, okay, I will do it, right? But I need some help because I'm not sure what to discuss with this person. So I'm changing the status of the task. And if I change my account to the person who delegated the task, I see a new notification in the New Things tab telling me that actually this person has agreed to take on this task, but she feels blocked and she's asking for help. So as you can see, anytime or any type of interaction will be notified in the New Things tab. And last but not least, if you want to create a new task or you want to just jot down an idea, New Things tab, it's also a good place to do this. You can either type it quickly here. So for instance, this is what I just did it with calling Roberta, right? You wanna, for example, shop for, I don't know, for a gift, let's say. You click enter, and then there is this little command center, which tells you what possibly you can do with it. But also you can use a shortcut and click Ctrl plus space on Windows or Control plus space on your Macs. You do this, and here is a little note which you can, in which you can tap whatever you want. So, for example, call Tim. Let's do it fast. And what I love about it, actually, about this little note is that you don't need to be on your app to have it opened right now to create such a task. You can, for example, browse for shoes or do whatever you want to do on your, on your laptop. But if your application is opened in the background, you can still do the same activity like Control or Ctrl plus space, and you create a new task. Pretty cool, huh? And pretty easy. and pretty useful. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll stay tuned for more. Have a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye bye.